Everybody's shy. Okay, cool. Y'all ready? You know what this is?
Yeah.
Onion powder.
I got onion powder.
Because that's what we're gonna season our food with. You ready? It's your turn. Wait. Go ahead. You want to use it?
Yeah.
Since you already had it here, go ahead and sprinkle the onion powder on top of the fish. Okay? Hold on, Faye. Hold on.
Okay.
Wait, this way, like this. And then you want to do your hand like.
Mama.
You want to do it by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Wow! You can't hold it in one spot. You gotta keep moving. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Wow! Good job. Wow! Hold on, Faye. Wait. That's not open. Good job, Bless. So this is onion powder, okay?
Onion powder so good.
You can do the paprika. Can you say paprika?
Paprika.
Oh, take your time. So this comes out really hard. Ooh. So you got to do it like that. Your turn. Okay, go ahead. You got it. Go ahead. It just comes out hard. That's why I was trying to help you. You want me to help you?
No.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
We got onion powder.
This is paprika and onion powder. Here you go. Go ahead. Go ahead, babe. Too hard. Oh, wait. Wait.
There's a good one.
Okay, look. We're not going to play it, okay?
That one's not hard, Mom.
Okay, babe. This is dill weed. Can you say dill weed?
Dill.
Okay, go ahead.
Dill.
Go ahead, girl. Work it, girl. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. All right, make sure you put boom, 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 boom. Okay, we're done. Good job. Okay, what's next? We did that, not that. That's the whole thing of salt. See that? Let me show you. Ma'am, we're not doing that, okay? This is hard to do, so you gotta go like this.
Okay, Mom, my turn.
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready? So you spin it, you see? Look at that, you got it. Good job. Okay, Bless with the pepper. Okay, Bless. Good job. Oh! I said don't do it. How many times did I say it to her?
A few seconds earlier.
Not that, that's the whole thing of salt. See that? Let me show you. Ma'am, we're not doing that, okay?
Why?
Bless, you want to do the onion powder?
Yeah, onion powder, my favorite.
It's your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Shake it. Hey, go Bless. Go Bless. Hey, go Bless. Go Bless. Hey. Okay, let's take it down here. Look. So we got enough up there. Let's take it down here. Okay, but we don't keep it in one spot, okay? We keep moving.
Mom, my turn.
Bam. Okay, oh no. Let's help Faye do the dill weed. Boom. You want to do it? You don't want help. Okay. Go Faye. Hey, go Faye. Oh, go Faye. Hey, go Faye. Up here, baby. Up here. Look, up here. Good job. Up here. Good job. Okay, over here. Paprika, this is kind of hard, so I'll do it.
My turn.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, Daddy said he's going to do it. Okay, Bless, you can do the pepper. Don't get mad. You want to do the pepper? You want to do the paprika?
Yeah.
Okay, so let him do a couple shakes.
We did it.
Go ahead. Couple shakes of the paprika. Oh, go Bless. Go Bless.
My turn.
Okay, I'm trying to show you how to do it. Go ahead.
What?
You want to do the pepper too?
Yeah.
More paprika, no more. All right. Next, we're gonna put some butter in the pan. Where you going? We're not done. We gotta make the corn. Thank y'all for making the fish. Boom. Okay, whatever. All right, so we're gonna put this in the oven for about 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Are we done?
Almost. Let me just wash my hands. So now what we're going to do next is we are going to make the corn, okay?
Yeah.
Bless, you like corn, right?
No.
Yes, you do. Favor, you like corn?
Yeah. Ew.
Good. Get up here. I want you.
Damn, so we're going in and just buy some quick.
All right, look. What are you cooked.
much was it again? Like 14?
It's not cooked. Go ahead. Take this off and put it in there.
Put it in there.
Boom. Go ahead, Bless, your turn. Take this off and put it in the trash. Go ahead. This how in the bag. You gotta pull it real hard,
I ain't
Bless.
had to put no salt and pepper on it.
For real? Real hard, Bless. And look, you gotta take the hair off like this. You see, Faye? Take it off like
I
that.
did it, Mama.
You got any hair on there? Take your hair off.
And it's cooked through.
Really? So you like it?
It just smoked it though, but I'm saying it's smoked all the way through. It ain't.
Mom, no.
Wow, good job. So look, put it in the bowl. Boom, put it in the bowl right there.
Mom, why you got
This
3?
shit busted.
3, where I got 3.
Then why you eat that fish?
Good.
Thank you, Faye.
No, what the fish? I want to cook, Daddy.
I like that.
I like it.
I like the smoky taste. That's really good. Yo, so we got another piece of salmon, and it's like smoked. It's already cooked. It's really good. I like that.
Ew. No.
Don't eat the corn. Okay, here, Faye. Put it in the bowl.
No.
Boom. All done.
I did this.
Well, I gotta cook it, but it's not cooked.
No.
Faye's gonna try it, sis.
I give you exactly. Taste it.
So look, Faye, look. You got favorite. Look, see?
Good.
You gotta clean the corn.
That's good.
Just clean it. You see, clean it. Clean it. Yeah. Good job. All right, so now I'm gonna break them so we can so they can be small. I'll do it. It's too heavy. I mean, it's too hard. Let me see. See?
Yeah.
Then we're gonna drain the water. Boom. All done. Thank you.
Welcome.
So we're gonna cook. It's gonna take about 30 minutes, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh, okay. Clean it up for me. Thank you.
That's not the trash can, Faye. That's not the trash
It's in the
can.
trash. Put it in the bag. Boo.
No.
It doesn't go in the sink bag. Ooh, good job. You're fine. Boom.
No.
Another one. Good job. Boom. Good job. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be making a salmon sandwich or salmon burger, whatever you want to call it. So I'm cutting up some tomatoes, and then I'm going to put some arugula, wash some arugula, put it on the side, and then I put these Hawaiian rolls in the oven for a little bit. But look at that salmon. It looks so good. Yes, so good. So I'm going to put some honey mustard on the roll. Then I'm going to add my tomatoes, the arugula, and avocado with my salmon. And y'all, since I'm doing a sandwich, I made sure I got like the most crispiest piece. That's how you got to do it. Make sure it's crispy. You don't want a really soft piece of fish and you're trying to eat a sandwich. So, boom, so good. Make sure you add a little bit more honey mustard, the arugula, and let's do a taste test. It just looks so good. I know it's gonna be good. Okay, y'all, I'm going in for the taste test.
One, two, three, four.
Mm.
Oh my goodness.
Mm. Wow, Sid.
Why I gotta go in this?
Wow.
Wow.
Mm.
Why did you do that? I have some Bel Air salmon. You ain't touch your piece.
Y'all have to try this at home. I want y'all to cook this, use the same ingredients. And then let me know. I can't forget the honey mustard. See what the corn hitting on. More sauce?
Yeah. Yeah, Mama, more dough.
Babe, babe, it's good. You going in, girl. Okay, they don't want to see it.
Yeah.
Close your mouth.
Another one.
We tried the wrap snacks. To me, they taste similar to like another chip that I had before. Sad told me to put the chips on my sandwich, so I'm doing it for my next piece. Let's see how this is gonna taste. Let's see. Tonight's dinner, chef's kiss. I want y'all to try this at home. Let me know how it tastes after you try it. But that concludes this video, and I'll see you guys in our next vlog.